Tricia, I love the hanging baskets like this, but it seems kind of ironic to actually have to water it with this much rain.
Oh yes, this rain is absolutely glorious. And plants like this begonia give such fabulous color to porches and patios. But they all need to be watered because they're under the eaves.
I know I have a few ferns just like you have behind you there, and they just seem to need water all the time.
Well, they all need water, and I could water this one, but you know, one of the biggest problems is plants that are hanging evaporate a lot because unlike the ones that are on a porch, all surfaces are exposed.
Okay, well here, let me give you a hand on this.
Well, before you do that, why don't you bring this down? I want to show you something.
Okay, all right.
You know, one of the problems, Danny, when you water a plant up high is you water all around, and sometimes the water gets all over the leaves and kind of gets off of the plant rather than getting into the roots.
I see.
So I've come up with this idea where you put a funnel into the plant, and this way, when we pour the water in, the water gets delivered directly to the roots where it really needs it.
Now, does it affect the actual growth of the plant then, having that kind of embedded in there?
Oh, well, it affects it in a really good way in
Okay.
that the roots get everything. But as far as the plant goes, certainly nothing's going to grow where the funnel is, but all around, and the plant's going to be really happy.
Well, looks like it's working great.